It is a journey towards bringing back to life transportation on the just rehabilitated Thika Nanyuki railway line, and Vivo Energy Kenya became the first company to begin transporting cargo on this line. The arrival of these oil wagons from Mombasa was a clear indication that the refurbished Nairobi-Nanyuki railway line is now ready for business. This is set to boost transportation of goods in this region, with more than 8 counties set to benefit from the 240-kilometer line from Nairobi to Nanyuki. Petroleum Principal Secretary Andrew Kamau told stakeholders that after pipeline, railway transport is a cheaper way to transport goods as compared to road transport. He said it is faster and safer.
Fuel used to be moved by rail, which is really the cheapest way to move fuel if you don't have a pipeline. Is by rail, and then from here you transport it to the rest of the area from Nanyuki. One of the things that the government is doing is to designate Nanyuki as a fuel pricing point. That way you can now count from here to where the petrol stations will be, and then we have the full benefit of this installation. Yeah, and other people who want to also invest in fuel stations from here as the economy grows. And you can see that with the advent of rail, we're expecting that to happen, because this is just the beginning. The rail is coming because of one anchor client, which is Vivo. And then from here, other people will start, cattle, farm produce.
The Kenya Pipeline Company remitted 1.8 billion shillings to support the rehabilitation of the Nairobi-Nanyuki meter gauge railway.
For us, as far as we're concerned, we want people to get cheap fuel in a safe manner. So if we can help Kenya Railways achieve that, we have also achieved our mission and our mandate.
The refurbished line will also free up the roads from hundreds of trucks transporting oil, according to the Transport PS Solomon Kitungu.
We are actually connecting rail transport, and from when it comes here, then that is transferred now to the other areas, so that then we don't overload our roads, maybe with the trucks. So it's just the whole connection of the transport system within the country, and we are very happy that this one has now been more or less completed, and we are also very happy that we have companies that are coming to partner with us, such as Vivo Power, because those want to really support the business as we wait for other businesses to come up.
The line passes through Nairobi, Kiambu, Murang'a, Nyeri, Kirinyaga, and Laikipia counties. Laikipia Governor Nderitu Muriithi also acknowledged Nanyuki as a strategic destination of accessing other parts of the Mount Kenya and northern regions.
Nanyuki is a natural logistics hub, simply because of a point of geography. So if you're in Isiolo, if you're in Meru, even parts of Nyeri and the rest of Laikipia, this is a natural place for you, for example, to receive your goods. If you have containerized cargo, it is far more efficient to pick it here in Nanyuki, say, as opposed to the city. So Nanyuki, I expect, will see significant growth as a logistics hub for the region. If you look at what we produce, from barley to wheat, to vegetables, to cattle and livestock, all these products you'd expect will now find it easier to move towards the market. So overall, we expect the railway to bring some efficiencies to the whole economy, and therefore be able to improve its productivity.
Through this line, Vivo Energy Kenya intends to transport 15 million liters of fuel every month from Nairobi to their depot in Nanyuki.
This catchment of about 8 counties, the consumption is way beyond the 10 million. It's about 15 to 18 million. So, and we look forward to having much of the product coming from here. So basically we're looking into 10 million going to about 15 million. Yes, liters. We are talking about safety of products. We're talking about safety of people, safety of the environment, safety on our roads. We are talking about quality of our products.
Apart from cargo, the rail will also be used to transport passengers from Nairobi to Nanyuki, and this is yet another milestone in the transport sector.
We want to run a rake of eight coaches from Nairobi to Nanyuki. The 8 coaches are ready, and we also have preferential coaches for first class, 3 of them, which means we have special trains that we can run, will be running. But we are waiting for commissioning of the line and direction. And after that, we are ready to move the first passenger train.
Kenya Railways is expecting to generate over 370.4 million shillings revenue per year from the revived line. President Uhuru Kenyatta is expected to officially launch the railway line soon. For Chams Media, I'm Alex Chamwada in Nanyuki.